Alright guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be sketching a Dyson hairdryer. I've always liked the design of these Dyson products, so I just wanted to do a little sketch. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just breaking down some important parts of the design and just trying to figure out what the form is like and how I'm going to approach it in perspective. I'm just doing a few quick perspective experiment sketches just to try and sort of learn how to draw it. So I started off with the really basic 2D orthographic sketches first, just because I think that's a really helpful way to learn about the product that you're trying to sketch and really break down the individual parts of it. So I think I've reached a stage now where I kind of like that view, so I did a really rough version of it, and I thought it's a perspective view, but it's not too mad. So I like that, and I'm going to take that forward and do a neater line drawing. What Procreate is great for is once you've drawn a line, you can hold down the pen and it creates a much smoother version of the same line. So that's really good for drawing straight lines, ellipses, or any shape really. So that's what's helping me get these initial lines down. And then I've moved on to blocking out some masks. So each individual part that I want to create shading for, I've blocked out as a separate mask layer. So I've just chosen a colour that's around about what the colour is on the actual part on the reference image. And then I'm going to use that to create a mask. And then we're going to use those masks a bit later for the shading. I've started to add some light in now. So I'm just selecting those layers that I created earlier, the masks, and then whatever I draw on the highlight layer is just going to be in that selected area. So I've basically done that for the whole sketch. That's how I build the shaded and the shadow areas of most of my sketches. So yeah, it's a really super sped up sketch really, this one. Just trying to get a decent format for these kinds of videos. Sometimes they take quite a while and it's hard to condense it down into sort of the good bits. But I think it's worth showing the whole thing. Maybe I'll change that for videos in the future. So I think what I'm doing now is just going back and adding a few extra highlight bits. I've done the main highlights. There's a few areas that need to be to have a bit of extra highlight going on. I probably could have done this part a little bit better, but what I did was I drew a shape and then duplicated it to create the bendy bit on the cord where it goes into the handle. So that's about it for this video. So yeah, it's only my third video, so let me know if there's anything that you want to see in sketching videos, or I'm going to try and get a few 3D modeling videos. Maybe I'll model this hairdryer. But yeah, if you like this sort of content, just give me a subscribe. I'm going to be putting out more videos in the future. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.